Hello, do you want to browse your internet safely? Do you want to protect your data from hackers from stealing your data? Do you want to access restricted websites? Don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to take you step by step how you can create your own VPN without installing any VPN on your laptop or without paying for any VPN. All you need is that is in your PC. So watch this video to the end and share videos, like and comment. If I've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's get started. So first, let's check my current location to see. So by the end of the video, you also come back here and come and check. So this is my current IP address. I am in Ghana, Accra. So this is my current IP address. Take notes. So let's close this one. So go to your settings. So you go to your settings, you go to network and internet, go to VPN, make sure you turn these two features on, turn them on. If it is off, turn them on. Then go to add VPN. Here you select Windows inbuilt. On the connection name, type VPN book. Here to go to your browser, or you have any browser on your phone. Then go to this website, vpnbook.com. VPN book. I will leave the link in the comment section there, so please check in there. When you come to VPN book website, scroll down. Here you select PPTP. So when you scroll down to, you can see the location, any location that you want. You can choose the location that you want. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to use US. So I'm using US. So you copy the username there. Sorry, you copy that in there. You come here and paste the address here. You copy the address from there and copy and paste it here. When you come here, select PPT. The VPN tab, select PPTP. Scroll down here, choose user name and password. The username, go back to the website and scroll down. You can see the username there. Copy it and go and paste it there. The password, go back to the website. You can see the password. As for the password, you can't copy it. So just look carefully and go and type it the same as it is onto the password area, or maybe you can write it down and go back to the settings there and go and type it there. So let's type in the password. I'm going back here. I'm typing in the password. Let me go and check it back. After finishing, click on save. Then click on connect. It will start connecting. So wait for a while. As you can see now, it is connected. Disconnected. So let's see from here. So as you can see, the VPN is connected. So let's go and check our location right now. At first it was in Ghana, so let's go back and go and check right now where the location is. So go to this also website. If you want to check your IP address, go to this also website. As you can see there, I'm typing it. So let's check our current location. Good. Right now, my location from Ghana is changed to US. Now you have made it. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Please, if this video helped you, please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.